Hello and welcome to the latest in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is actually, does the length of time of your data governance initiative depend on the size of your organization and the number of systems? Now, this is a really great question, and I'm going to assume that this question relates to the amount of time to actually implement data governance for the first time. Because if you watch any of my videos or read my blogs, you'll be very clear on the fact that data governance is not a project. It's not a one-off activity. So I'm assuming this question is all about the length of time to design, implement your data governance over everything in the first place. And I think the answer is absolutely the size of your organization, the number of systems you have, the complexity of your organization and its systems is definitely going to have an impact on how long it takes you to implement data governance. Now, I always recommend having a phased approach, and you're going to have to find some way of prioritizing and ordering the phases of implementation as you roll this out incrementally. Now, you may well decide to implement your data governance system at a time, but you may well decide to do it by business function or maybe data domain or maybe a mixture of both, just depending on where the greatest need is for data governance in your organization at any one time. So generally, I say to people that to design your data governance initiative and to actually start delivering some benefits from data governance is going to take you anything between a year to 18 months. And then obviously, the more data your organization has, the more complicated, the more systems, is going to take a significant amount of time after that. So I think it's very reasonable to think that to get all of your data under data governance, if you work for a large, complicated organization, could take a number of years. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please help me on my mission to help as many people as possible be successful with data governance by liking, commenting, sharing on your choice of social media. And don't forget, if you've got a question you'd like me to answer in one of these future videos, just email them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com.